Hello everyone, I am John Daniel. Welcome to ZenithQuest. Today I will show you how I built an agentic AI data preprocessor where instead of me writing every cleaning rule, let AI decide what to do. This is the traditional method, right, of data cleaning. Normally a data engineer has to decide how to handle missing values, whether to drop duplicates, how to treat dates and categories. It's manual, repetitive, and fixed. But what if the data set changes tomorrow? You have to rewrite the logic again. Okay. So here comes the agentic AI solution. So we will be using agentic preprocessor with GPT. So here I have used OpenAI GPT 4.1 mini as an agent. It looks at the dataset schema, reasons about it, and then decides which pre-processing steps to apply. If there is a missing values, it decides median for numbers and mode for categories, etc. Duplicates, it removes them. Dates, it converts properly. Categories, it encodes automatically. And at last, it explains all of its decisions inside a report.txt file. Okay, because in that report text file, we will come to know what this agent has done for the pre-processing activities. It will help us. Okay, so now we will see a demo. Okay. In the demo, before demo, I'll be showing like what is the input file. Okay, so here is the input file. Okay, if you look over here, okay, this is the joining date. You can see, right, age is missing. Okay, like age is missing, and gender also, some of the things are not there in male, female, and like you can see, right, it is not in a proper format. So now we will see how it is going to take care. Okay, now I will be. So this is the my Visual Studio code, agentic preprocessor.py. You can see in the below link. Okay, I have given the GitHub link. You can take this code. Okay, and you can use your own data and you can experiment it. Okay, it is simple. Okay, if this is the code part actually. So here I have given what this code does. I cannot explain everything over here. Okay, you can see the outlier part. And here comes the GPT. What I said that I was telling, right, GPT 4.1.mini. Here I am using that. Okay. And these all pre-processing steps, you can check it. Okay, in the code. And here is the utils. Okay, what is this utils.py? It is a helper type of function actually. Okay, like loading and like summarizing the data set and the formatting part. This also you can check, you can play with it. Okay, so now this is the output. See, now it is empty. Okay, so now we will see after I execute how it comes. Okay, I'm executing it. Okay, just hold on. Okay, so it has executed. Okay, you can see over here all this information, like what are the data type. Okay, and what it does. The same thing will be available in the report also. See how it has generated now. Earlier it was empty. Now in the report, you can see all the information over here. Okay, like agentic selected steps, missing data, deduplicate, and these there are missing values in age and gender columns. I didn't do anything. Okay, what are the pre-processing steps applied? Okay, so date imputation, joining date, resolved 69 missing values in the join date. Okay, and deduplicate, dropped 3 duplicate rows, missing data, imputed numerics with the median, categories with mode, categorical encoding. Okay, applied one hot encoding, because if you see now the output file, that you can see lot of columns. Okay, as you all are aware that one hot encoding, right, it does like 0 1, that type of format for the things. Okay, here is the output file. If I show over this, it will be difficult for you, so I'm taking here. Here is my output. Here is the report. Whatever you have seen that time, right? It is available here. Whatever we see in there. And here is the output part. Okay. So you can see over here now, right? How it has brought it, right? You can like income and joining date, everything it has made properly. Okay. You can see over here, right? Okay, now you have seen I have given already the means description also you can say. So now you can come to know, right? Like why agentic AI is better than the traditional rules. Okay, because agentic AI is powerful because of this reasoning, adaptability, and transparency. So instead of me hard coding every rule, the AI adapts to any data set, and you can clone the repo. Okay, I have given this part, right? You can clone the repo on GitHub and try it on your own data, and even you can extend it. Okay, I have given the link over here. Okay. So now you come to know, right? Like data cleaning does not have to be manual anymore. It can be always AI driven. Okay. So now I hope you enjoyed it actually. Thanks for watching. And if you like it, share it to your friends and you can subscribe it. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you.